noticed that the number of disasters in our country is actually increasing? Have you noticed that some parts of our country are experiencing up to 3 disaster events in a single year? Do you know that a family can take up to 19 years to recover fully from a disaster? So what can be done to help people recover from these kind of mounting losses in a timely manner? This is where technology can help.
This is Akshvi's user interface, which has damage assessment details for various disaster events. The landing page has cluster level details of different Gram Panchayats. During Cyclone Biparjoy that affected major regions of Hatla cluster, Akshvi gave Gram Panchayat level details regarding primary water sources, cattle categories, average land holdings, average shelter size, etc. A total loss estimate was also provided with an aggregate loss of various categories of shelter, agriculture and livestock. Further analysis on the basis of collected ground data was also done. We then proceed to the map view page, which has a distress map that shows different level of damages such as high damage, medium damage, low damage and no damage.
Every disaster affected person has the right to a life of dignity by providing the best possible assistance.
At Mandeshi Foundation, we are actively working to understand the challenges being faced by the community.
The biggest challenge that farmers expressed was increasing cost of production. When the farmer faces any pest attack or a plant disease in their farm, they visit the input store to purchase pesticides, fertilizers, and they get their guidance from the shopkeeper. Now the shopkeeper's interest is to sell more and more fertilizers, pesticides to increase their sales and their income. Whereas the farmer, on the other hand, does not have the scientific knowledge or information on what dosage is exactly required. So the farmer is at the mercy of the shopkeeper, and the farmer often lands up purchasing more chemical fertilizers and overdosing their farm and affecting the soil health. Mandeshi Foundation opened the Agriculture and Soil Testing Center to address the needs of farmers. The Agriculture and Soil Testing Center provides farmers with data on their soil, scientific knowledge that helps them to improve their farming, improve their yields, and improve their income. Our intervention has led to a reduction in costs by 30% and an increase in incomes by 33%. Farmers have stated that they have also been able to increase their yields by 12% and reduce the usage of fertilizers by 20%, reducing the burden on their soil and making their produce more healthy.
The Kisan Card is a mobile application that helps indigenous women farmers for their agriculture planning, action, review, reflection, supporting indigenous community at larger level in western part of India. They use their indigenous knowledge for soil, seed, water, vegetation, livestock and culturally aligned practices. Their planning through the application help them in day-to-day action, a real-time compilation and tracking of changes in their crops and resources in reviewing these changes to adopt climate-aligned practices. This application is helping the farmer to ensure a sustainable livelihood, secure living income and improve their diet diversity score. Vagdhara Dialogue with the Saksham Samuh, which is a group of 20 empowered women in more than 1200 villages, where we are using PLA method. In the indigenous farmer are using this application to compile their plan, knowledge and knowledge material for sharing with other families and families of other nearby hamlets. This application is now supporting strengthening around more than 22 to 23,000 women indigenous farmers.